Hello everybody, today we're going to have problem 25. Problem number 25, it's opposite problem 24. It's to print the numbers of the user until 1. Before, in the previous problem, we will increase the number by 1. This time we will decrease the number by 1. For example, if the user insert number 5, so we want the compiler print for us 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it starts from the number of the user until 1. Okay, how are we going to solve this problem? It's easy. First, we have this read number function. It's same like the previous problem. We didn't change anything in it. And this procedure, the first procedure we have here, print the user number until 1. I changed the name of the procedure, all right? Underscore using while loop. It takes number. Let's say it's number 5. We'll open it. Integer counter equal number. We will assign the number. Let's say, as we said now, number 5. That the user insert number 5. We assign it to counter. So counter, it will hold number 5. The number of the user that inserted through the console screen. And we have this string numbers printed from the user numbers to 1 using while statement. And here we will use while keyword counter greater or equal 1. Counter is stored inside the hold already number 5 that the user inserted through the console screen. So 5 greater than or equal 1, true, because 5 is greater than 1. So please print for me the counter, which is number 5 now, hold number 5. And after that, decrease it by 1. Counter minus this time, okay? And get back again, check. Counter already represent number 4. 4 greater than or equal 1, still true. Okay, while it's true, the while statement condition while it's true, you will go inside the while statement to execute the code inside the while statement. Okay, so print for me please the counter, which is already represent number 4 because we decrease it by 1 before this time, and after that decrease it. So counter already represent number 3, so on until counter become 1. It's not less than 1 or it's not greater than 1, it's equal 1. So please print it, and after that it will be the condition false, so the compiler will exit this while loop. This is the first procedure, and that's how we change it. We just assign the number to the counter, and we say if the counter greater than 1, and after that we decrease the counter by 1 to print it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by using while loop. And the second procedure is print the user number until 1, same like the previous one, but this time by using do while loop. Okay, let's open it. We assign also the number to the counter, and because we use do while loop, first we print. We don't want first to decrease the counter because the counter already hold the number that the user inserted to console screen, number 5. If we directly decrease it, counter minus before we print it, which means it will be 4, and we will print number 4. So number 5 we will miss it. We cannot print number 5. So first, because we use do while loop, first we will print number 5. See out counter. It's already represent number 5 because we take this value from the number variable when we assign it here up. We print first number 5, see out counter, which is see out number 5. We print number 5, and after that decrease it by 1, counter C minus, and after that check by using while loop keyword. While counter greater than or equal 1, please get back again do or execute for me the code again. Counter, it will be greater than 1 because counter, after we decrease it, if it was 5, we decrease it by 1, counter minus, it will be 4. It's still greater than 1. So on until this condition become false, and the compiler will exit the do while loop. All right, just change the counter minus. In the previous problem it was up and it was plus. Now it's down of the C out of the print command, and it's minus. All right, and we assign the number to the counter like the previous procedure. So let's jump to the third procedure and the last one. Print the user number into 1 by using for loop. Let's open it. Perfect. Integer counter equal number. We assign the number. It's hold number 1, number 5. We take it from the user to the console screen to the counter. So counter already hold number 5. Okay, so 5 greater than or equal 1, true. Please execute for me or print for me number 5, and get back again to the update to decrease the counter by 1. Counter already represent 4. 4 is still greater than 1. Again, print it till this condition become false, and the compiler will exit the for loop. And here in the main function, it's same. We don't change anything. We have the same variable to declare it. We use the same read number function that we created in the previous problem, and we call the same procedures. And we give in the parameters the num. The num, it's already hold the number of the user that insert through the console screen. So let's do run to check it out together. Perfect. Once we did the run, the compiler display for us this question. Please enter a number. Let's say this time 5. And once we press enter, the compiler should print for us from 1 to 5, from 1 to 5, from 1 to 5, using the 3 statements: while loop, do while loop, and for loop statement. Okay, perfect. Number printed from user number, which is 5, to 1 using while loop, 5 to 1. Number printed from user number, which is 5 now, to 1 using do while loop, from 5 to 1, and same with the for loop from 5 to 1. So that was the problem of today, problem number 25. It was about to print the numbers of the user until 1. See you next problem, see you next lesson.